Hello everyone. So I'm just gonna have a play here. I don't know exactly what I'm doing yet today, but I think I'm gonna make one of them flippy thingies that I have made in the past. I don't know why, but I feel like it. So let's see here. I just got this lined paper here, and I'm gonna glue these on. That's what I'm doing right now. I think I want my art glitter glue for this. If I can find it. It's a little buried. So I'm just gonna glue these down. I'm gonna line them up with a line just to make sure that they're nice and lined up. This works great as journal cards, and again, I'm just trying to use up what I have. And I love these little scenic cards, but at the same time, I never know what to do with them. So, this is what I'm doing with them. I find it when I'm doing especially like Disney themed whatchamacallit, when you do Disney themed golden books, this comes way in handy doing stuff with making these little flip outs, especially if they have something that has to do with what you're doing or have and that type of thing. I don't know. I'm a little worn out today. Okay. Where is... There we go. Must not have used this washi tape yet. I have my washi tape in a stand, so it makes it interesting when I'm trying to use it. That ain't what I want to throw over there. This is it. Alright. There's one, and we're just gonna take it and bend it right in here. Very gently bend it. I'm working on my bend. I'm not just bending it completely over. This is one of my few ways that I use up my washi tape, because otherwise I don't use it enough. So when I know I'm going to be bending stuff like this, I try to use it. And I think, how is it supposed to go? This, and again, I'm just creasing it with my fingernail, or you can maybe use a bone folder, but just slowly crease it so it don't bubble up as easily, and voila. Just a cute little open thing that you can use easily to make, because it's very thin. Well, it's thick. It's 3 cards worth, but it does help with keeping your pieces just a little bit nicer. And actually, I am going to be doing a little bit of a shabby dabby doodah thing right here. It just scruffs up the edges a little bit here. I don't do it as harsh as she does, but I am trying to get it all scuffed up a little bit here. It'll take in that distress ink even more by me doing that. So now when I go to do this, it's less, or it's gonna stick better to it and make it look even darker, and I like that look. Now I get that not everybody likes that sharp look, but I don't normally do this look with everything I make. It's just it has less of that faded look and more of a sharper brown look there. I really didn't do that on this side, and you can tell the difference between that side and the side that I did it with. There's more darker shades. So there we go. And I'm just going to get this a little bit and this a little bit. And I don't care if these two show or not, so that was not my goal. My goal was to be able to have someone be able to open it up and write in it all they want. Just a simple little journaling space. I know this was a simpler one than what I normally do, but I wanted to show everyone this because some people can... I think I have it in here, actually. The original sample of it. I think this is it. Yeah. So this is the original, and the lady went off and glued napkin down on each one of the playing cards. I like this, again, for my like golden books and stuff like that. It works well. And then she added a little bit of stamping and sewed around it. You can do that. This was the sample I was given, or bought actually. I bought this. And this is what I use for what I do. I normally have this little idea area where I just pick stuff up sometimes, and I'll do them on my own or do them not on my own. All depends on what I feel like doing. So I just wanted to show you this one. You can get creative with it, don't get me wrong. There are 100 different things you could do with this idea, but I wanted to show you the basics of it. I'm not going to decorate this. This is something I'll probably leave plain on purpose and everything, but I wanted to show you this little trick. A little piece that you could just add as a journaling card easily to your collection. So I hope you enjoy your day or night. Bye!